Hello Tribalmakers, I'm Malev and welcome to my channel. I believe that every person should dance, no matter where you are, what time is it, how old you are, what your fitness level is. We all deserve to move what Mother Nature gave us and enjoy our body. Now, in today's Tuesday combo, we're going to learn an intermediate level practice combination. If you're beginners, come and play with us. You might learn some new things. If you're an intermediate or more advanced dancer, come and polish your skills with me. Make sure before we begin that you're warmed up, that you have a glass of water nearby, and let's begin with the practice. I usually break down all the combos and teach every sentence separately. However, in this specific combination, it seems a little bit too artificial to separate the first two sentences. So we're going to learn the first two sentences, the first 16 counts in one go. So we'll start with our shoulders. On the count of one shoulder is going up. On the count of two, the other shoulder joins in. And then on the count of 3, 4, one shoulder goes down and the other one follows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're working with your shoulders, try to make sure that your arms remain as neutral as possible. They don't need to join the movement. When you're doing it, you're keeping it separated only in your shoulders. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to move to our elbows. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So one elbow goes up, the other one follows, one elbow goes in, the other one as well. Make sure that your palms are relaxed as possible, meaning they're not moving with you and your shoulders are neutral. So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we'll move into our wrists. So we have 1 and one wrist is going up. On the count of 2 of the other sentence, we have other wrist and 3, 4 wrists going down. So we have 3, 4. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second sentence. On the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to do a shoulder roll. So we're rolling our shoulder backwards, allowing the arms to move with us, and we're relaxing the movement. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now into the shoulder movements, I'm adding my chest. I'm doing a little undulation here. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you want to make it a little bit more muscular, you could add into it a belly roll. So we're adding some muscles, the abs here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So the second sentence from the beginning, we're working with our wrist now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we'll do the whole 16 counts from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the same thing with the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's continue. On the third sentence, we're still in basic dance posture, and we're starting with an AMI, an internal hip circle for 2 counts. So we have 1, 2. From here, we're going to do a belly roll and we're going to focus our attention on the upper part of our body. So we have 3, 4. On 5, 6, we're going to do a chest circle here, 5, 6. And we're taking the attention down into our hips with another belly roll on 7, 8. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it to the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do the whole combination from the beginning to one side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the whole combination to the other side. So we have shoulder, 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 elbow, 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 wrist, 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 arms going down into AMI, belly roll, chest circle, belly roll. Beautiful. Let's continue. For the last sentence, we'll start with opening our leg to the side on the count of 1. On the count of 2, I'm taking my weight down to my heel. So I'm pointing my leg to the side here, and I'm taking on the count of 2 my heel down. When I'm doing it, I'm going to do a half a hip circle here. So I have 1, 2. And when I'm taking my heel down, it gives this little dush to the movement. So I have 1, 2. On 3, 4, I'm doing a chest slide. So I'm sliding my chest on 3, and on 4 I'm taking it back to the starting point. So I have 3, 4. On the 5, 6, I'm taking my hip back into its place, 5, 6. And on the 7, 8, I'm going to draw a hip circle with my other hip. So we have 7, 8, and I'm raising my heel when I'm doing it because I'm playing here with my heel. I'm doing the same thing to the other side to keep this movement big. So again, from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it to the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do the whole combination from the beginning. We have shoulder, 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 elbow, 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 wrist, 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 arms and ami, belly, chest, ami, and hip, slide, slide, hip, hip. Good. Let's do the same thing to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. Let's play with the music. 5, 6, 7, go. Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Elbow, 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 elbow. Wrist, 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 wrist. Arms, ami, belly, chest, belly, and hip. Slide, slide, hip, hip. Other side. Elbows, wrists, arms, ami, belly, chest, belly, and hip. Slide, slide, hip. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. Flirt a little bit with your eyes. And relax. Enjoy the movement. And play a little bit. Maybe start flirting with it. It just works with its specific music. Curious face. Smile. And hip. Slide, slide, hip. Hip and shoulder, shoulder. Elbow, elbow. Wrist, wrist. Arms, belly roll. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Please take the time to subscribe and like this channel. If you're feeling up to it, you're more than welcome to check out the other practice combo. I'll see you next Tuesday, and remember, life is too short, so enjoy it. Bye!